Welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to change a diaphragm in a 101 inline water valve. The aluminum 101 inline water valve is very common. We have several different models. This one here has a 2.5-inch thread on the inside. Our basic one doesn't. This one will only work as a 3-inch grooved fitting. This one here you can put on a 2.5-inch pipe also in PT. This is one of the items that you would need to maintenance on a regular basis. When they tear or get dry, you'll have to replace them. So we have the replacement diaphragms on our website, and one of the most important things that I always try and make sure I tell the customer is this little ridge here. It has to match up with the inside of this valve right here, this ridge. If you put it in the incorrect way, it'll actually leak and it won't shut off. So whenever I get a customer who calls me and says, hey, I put that diaphragm on, it won't stop leaking, it won't shut off. It's the diaphragm is in 90 degrees out of turn. You can see the sealing surface right here that I was trying to explain to you with the ridge. It's right here. It matches up right here with the casting of the valve. That's what keeps it from leaking. If it's in incorrectly, it'll actually make a little hole right here that'll keep dripping. All you got to do is turn it to like what I say is like the dam. It matches up with this. Put it back together. There we go. Install your nuts. It's hard to do when you got big fingers. Be very careful. You don't want to over tighten them and strip out the bolts either. And that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call at 602-437-6948 or visit us at accesstruckparts.com.